Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we have a special guest helping me unbox this vehicle.
Hello.
And it is actually a 2021 Team Transport car. Team Transport set, as you can see the packaging design right there. Howell's Car Culture, this is a premium line. So that means these two vehicles have metal on metal with rubber tires. And got this at my Walmart a couple months ago. And it consists of a 74 Chevy Vega Pro Stock and the Horizon Hauler, which is going to be carrying it. And this is from the 2021 Mix 3, and it's number 34. And let's flip over the packaging here. Here's the other ones that you can get. And 2020 copyright, but these are both from 2021. And you can pause and read that if you'd like. And let's just get it open. My special guest here is going to rip it right open for you guys. Eventually, once you make sure you keep the unboxing on camera. Nice open, dude. That's a nice clean open. And we're gonna get the protector out, carrying both of the vehicles, as you can see. So you don't drop the vehicle. Here's what the packaging looks like. Nice open, man.
This is the hauler, and this is the 74 Vega. This has the roll bar, metal on metal, rubber wheels.
And they spin really nice.
And the front one's not so well, but the back one's on that. It spins really well.
Let me give you a nice look at that. Has a Summit sponsor right there, and racing equipment with blue and red striping, and Summit on the side. It's got these...
And blue, yeah. Like a darker blue pinstriping.
Interior is black, and this has a blown engine in the front. Details, of course, because it is a premium line vehicle. You can see that right there. 1974 Chevrolet Vega Pro Stock. Great spinning wheels on this. NHRA on the side, on the back fender. You can see it has a nice wheelie bar there, and Summit tampos. Very cool vehicle right here. Give you a nice look at it, and as he said, it's a die-cast base and rubber tires with treads. All right, let's take a look at the Horizon Hauler. Same tampo design.
So the only pieces of plastic I see on this is this part, and the tanks. Yeah. Otherwise, is metal. Down here you can see it's metal. Got the rubber wheels, everything premium line. Good. Decent spinning, as you can see down there, yeah.
And this is a very cool vehicle. This is actually my first Team Transport unboxing. And this has Real Rider Sealy wheels on it, NHRA, same deal. All the blue, and this part is the plastic part, actually, but it's still quite a heavy vehicle. You can see the front here has detailed headlights and premium designs. Has a red color to it. Summit racing equipment, and it's duo right with the Vega. As you can see, that's a nice Horizon Hauler we have here. Looks like based off like a 1960s vehicle, and you can see that's a nice heavy thick die-cast base, and you can see that right there. Some beautiful castings we just unboxed.
And now them together. Looks like that.
Very cool casting. Thank you for helping.
Yes, sir.
And just unboxed a Team Transport for 2021 Mix 3 number 34, and it's the Horizon Hauler with the 74 Vega Pro Stock. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye.